Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you? Fine, and you? I'm also good. I want to tell about myself. My name is Pankaj. I read in 9th class. My hobby is solving math, but I belongs to Bihar. But I currently living in Delhi. If I talk about my family members, so there are 6 members in my family: my mother, my father, and my 3 siblings and me. So please ask me questions.
Okay, sir. What is role of the teacher in our life?
The role of teacher in our life, the teacher role is very important in our life because teacher give us knowledge how to talk, how to walk. And firstly I tell about our 2 teachers. First our mother and second our father. Our mother tell about how to talk and our father tell about how to walk. And our father tell too much thing like hard work. And there are too much things that are available to learn from our teachers. And if I talk about there are teacher is come in the subject, and there are too much version of teacher are available that give us another type of knowledge. That's it.
Why are you learning English and what is the changes in your perspective?
So I am learning English because of my passion, because I want to learn English and I wanna do something in my life, because nowadays English is necessary, because any type of thing when we wanna do, so that time we need English. And English give next good expression to everyone. So that's the reason I am learning English.
Okay, sir. So, how maths fascinate you to solve that?
The maths fascinate me to solve, because like math is a kind of subject that have too much formulas, and when we learn that type of formula and solve, so another level encouragement come in our inner self. So that's the reason math fascinate me to learn it.
Okay, so being a student, what kind of a role and responsibility you have to follow every day?
Being a student, I have to follow like a student learning. And there are a lot of things that I think that I follow in my life. Like in my school I have to follow student. In my home I have to follow children rule. That type in that time we are independent, but we in the focusment. So that thing we I have to follow.
So, sir, why we need motivation?
Why we need why the help of motivation we do our very well thing. Like suppose you go in down, and another side anyone give you motivation, you will do. Suppose you wanna be businessman, you wanna be anything in your life, and your parents, your friend, any person give you motivation. On that time you think I will do. And you're like one of the thing is effort never dies. When the motivation comes, so like effort never dies come automatically in our inner self, and we think we will do. That's the reason motivation is too much important.
Okay, so how was your yesterday exam?
My yesterday exam was very good, and I cleared all the question, and I hope I got very good marks, and it's my last exam.
So, sir, how is your student journey going on?
My student journey is going on very good, because due to student responsibility I am doing best in my life, because I learn all the subject. I am giving my exam, and due to all the thing I am doing, so my student journey is going too much amazing.
Okay, so what is the difference between hard work and smart work?
The difference between hard work and smart work: due to hard work you achieve everything. Due to smart work you enhance your knowledge, and very easily you achieve everything. Both you, when you do both things, on that time you will crack all the things in the UPSC, in any kind of section. If you want to clear, you have to do hard work plus smart work. When you don't do one of the things, on that time you achieve, but in the late, when you do both things, so you can achieve easily.
So, sir, as a child, what kind of problem are you facing?
As a child, I am not facing any kind of problem, because my parents give all the facility to me, and like all the teacher give me good facility, good teaching, and my sister, my all the thing. In that time, I am learning English due to this institute. So I don't stuck in anywhere due to child.
Okay, so what are the differences between idea and plan?
The difference between idea and plan is like both are synonyms, but like idea come in our mind and mind decide which kind of work we have to do and we should do. That's the difference between both.
Why we need society?
We need society because of like learning, because if you have bad society, so you go in the bad, you learn abuse and you don't give respect to anyone. But if you have good society, so you will give respect to everyone, you will shy, you will become shy, you will do what you want and no one stop you on that, because your nature is too much good. So that's it about it, and thank you for listening me, and have a nice day.